Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Notability, how to take notes on the side. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To take notes on the side in Notability, you can use the multi-note feature to view and write in two notes side by side. To do it, what you need to do is first head over and open up your Notability app, then tap on the three horizontal bar on the top left corner of the screen, then select on notes. Now all you gotta do is simply tap on new, and then here what you need to do is simply drag a note from the library into the note switcher. Then the screen will split to show two notes side by side. You can write either with note, scroll independently, and even copy content between them. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.